So, students, already we learned this how to write a data in a created text file. So, for that, traditionally we are using object. We are creating object in a left hand side. In a right hand side, we are using open function. You know that inside open function, we are giving two parameters. One is file name and another one is mode. Here we are using write mode. Then in second line, just data. Okay, my data is, we know it is stored in variable a. Then by using object name, we are using, we are calling write function. So inside write function, we are given data. Then third one is flush mode. You know that flush mode will help us to save our data immediately. Then finally we are using close function to close the path which we created by using open function. It is a normal method, it is a traditional method. But here we are having one more method called with statement. If you are using with statements, we are having many benefits. Let's discuss about with statement. So here I'm going to start with keyword. So with statement is a also compound statement like if and for. So if it is a compound statement, you know it well. It will have a header line and block or a body part. So we are going to start with keyword. Then we are going to use open function. So there is no changes for using open function. Inside open function, we are going to give python 3.txt. So this is our new file. Then I'm going to use write mode. Then after using open function, we are going to use as keyword. Then after as keyword, we are going to create object name. My object name is ob1, right? So usually we will create object in the left hand side, but here we are creating object at the end of the header line. So before colon, we have to create object. So after creating object, we have to give colon. You know that why we are using colon, because it is a compound statement. If you want to create a block, we have to use colon. So from colon only block starts. So inside a block, as usual, I'm going to give data. My data is Kavi. Then by using object name, I'm going to call write function. Inside my write function, I'm going to give my data which is stored inside a variable. So I'm going to change my variable name. So my variable name is b here. That's it. So if you are using with statement, okay, no need to use close function. With statement will close our path automatically. It is one advantage. And another advantage is if we are getting any runtime errors before the end of the block, the with statement will handle it and close the file. These are the two advantages of using with statement compared to traditional method of using open function as well as close function, right? So now we will run our program. So execution is over. Aha, input output error is coming. So what is the error? What is the error? See, here we created object name is ob1, but I used object name is 1 ob. So we solve the error. Okay, now we are not getting error. So again, we'll open and we'll check whether python 3 is here. So you can see python 3 is having kavi, right? So with by using with statement, we created python 3.txt file because we are using w mode. If you are using w mode, okay, if file is not exist, it will create, but the problem is it will delete old data, right? So this is the purpose of using a with statement. So first purpose is no need to use close function, it will close automatically. And second purpose is if you are getting any runtime errors, it will close the program automatically. Thank you.